Do you want to know what this tastes like? Just took me back to I was like 11 years old. Rice Krispie Treats cereal.
Boom. Yes, it does. Good call.
Did you click on this video to find out if Magic Spoon cereal was any good or if it was worth the price tag? In today's video, with the help of a special guest, we are going to find out. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So whether it's exercise tutorials, nutrition tips, podcasts, or product reviews like these, you're going to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on all of our latest content. If you listen to any podcast, watch any YouTube video, or scroll through social media, you have definitely seen an ad for Magic Spoon cereal. You want to know exactly what you're getting and if this cereal is worth the price tag of $10 a box. Magic Spoon cereals are a mix of a milk protein blend, a artificial sweetener known as allulose, which is now FDA approved, contains 0 grams of sugar, 4 net carbs, and 13 grams of protein per serving. There are 5 servings per container, and each serving is about a cup or 37 grams of cereal. So let's get this taste test started. And to help me out today is my lovely fiance, Lauren. Come on in.
I'm in.
Lauren, what qualifies you to be a taste tester of this cereal here?
Absolutely nothing.
Okay. I will say that as your fiance, I know you are opinionated, so I think you're the perfect person for this job. Which flavor should we start with?
Oh, I've already tried these.
One of us secretly opened some of these boxes and already gave a taste test to a couple of these too. So
They're irresistible.
Okay.
I mean, look at the boxes.
we're gonna go with the peanut butter first. And by the way, if you are wondering what kind of milk we're using, we are doing the Fairlife lactose-free milk.
I'm assuming I'm going first.
Lauren's going first.
A little delayed saltiness in there. I'm into it.
Obviously, I don't really have a reference point just yet in terms of the other cereals.
It's like a vague peanut butter flavor to me.
With the artificial sweetener is that you're not going to taste it on your tongue in the same spot. And
Yes,
that's what
or
I'm
as quickly.
expecting.
Well,
Probably,
it's also really sticking to my teeth.
that's kind of a pain in the ass. But normal cereal does that too.
Does it though?
Here we go. Fruity.
Oh.
Fruity.
Okay, now that is Fruit Loops. That's delicious. It's
Okay.
very sweet.
I mean, that's coming to mind as I'm doing this is that what are we basing this on? Am I basing this on, is this just a good cereal in general? Or am I basing it on its comparability to a regular full of grain cereal?
Like Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops.
Yes, so this is like a Fruit Loop counterpart. If you were to put that in a bowl and be like, oh, this is Fruit Loops, I'd be very challenged to actually tell the difference.
Agreed. Still also, wait, I have some more commentary.
Okay.
Still also sticking to my teeth excessively, which is a little irritating. This is sweeter than the peanut butter. I like this one because it's a variety of different fruity flavors in a bowl. And I'm more of a fruit person than like a peanut butter chocolate person. So I would go for this one.
One of the things that I'm worried about eating too much of this cereal is what's gonna happen afterward in the bathroom. So I only wanna have like a bite of each. I've never tried this before, but
We'll see.
if you eat too much artificial sweetener, sometimes it becomes a laxative. The thunder is going, but now we got the frosted here. Miss
All right.
Lauren, what do you think?
I'm into it.
You guys hear the crunch?
This one's just straight up frosted, classic, sweet.
Do you want to know what this tastes like? Just took me back to I was like 11 years old. Rice Krispie Treats cereal.
Boom. Yes, it does. Good call.
This is the best one that I've tried thus far. Last one.
Cocoa. It's
This
cocoa.
one is called Cocoa.
So this would be equivalent to like,
I would say probably like Cocoa Puffs.
okay.
And I think one of the challenges is having something in your mind that it's supposed to taste like and then actually giving it a try.
I don't like it. It has a weird flavor. It doesn't taste like chocolate to me. And now I'm getting like an even weirder flavor in my mouth. So maybe if you mixed it with the peanut butter, it might be good. But I'm not into that one. That one's my least favorite, the cocoa. Doo-doo. That's what it should be flavored. Doo-doo flavor.
That does not taste like cocoa. It tastes
No.
like dirt. I think we're grading this for a quote unquote healthy cereal and quote unquote tastes like the counterpart. Okay?
Okay.
Our grades for the peanut butter, you gave it
A C.
Peanut butter, I'm giving a C. Let's go to the fruity. Would you give the fruity an A?
Yeah, solid A.
Okay, I'm gonna give that
So
a
good.
B. Frosted.
The B plus,
I'm gonna give that a B plus. Cocoa.
like D minus.
Okay, I'm gonna give the cocoa an F. Let's give a final assessment here of whether or not this is worth $10 a box. Lauren, talk to me.
I mean, I'm really cheap. It's not sustainable to spend $10 a box on cereal considering the boxes are not very big. I could easily eat this in 2 servings, probably.
At $2 for a bowl of cereal, big box of Rice Krispie Treat cereal, which is $4, 10 to 15 servings. So what is this for?
This is how I've been eating it. I like it as like a little snack before bed. I don't feel so guilty when I eat it, and it's freaking delicious. At least the fruity and the frosted I was eating before bed. I would not eat this as an actual breakfast cereal.
It's a gimmick. In my mind, it's $10 a box. Yes, you're getting 13 grams of protein, but you're also getting protein in milk. You can have gluten-free cereals. Doesn't taste good enough to be like a treat, but it's not healthy enough and cheap enough to be something you're gonna do on a regular basis. That's my final assessment. The taste in my mouth after having this, after a few minutes,
Yeah, it's like
talk about that.
layered with like almost that that artificial sweetener. If it was like $5 a box, to me, I would probably buy this on a more regular basis.
If you're gonna have a bowl of cereal every once in a while,
Yep.
have a bowl of cereal that you like, and then that's it.
Fruity Pebbles.
If you're looking to be healthy and eat cereal on a
Cinnamon
regular,
Toast Crunch.
if you're looking to be healthy and have cereal on a regular basis,
Frosted Flakes.
reevaluate your life. Cereal is not healthy. I would say this is a pass for me. I got this so we can give it a try and we can do an honest review. Lauren, any final
I'll
thoughts?
finish the fruity off. I'll also finish off the frosted.
I just want to give Lauren a thank you for coming out.
I had to put mascara on,
I really appreciate your help in this little
which
review.
I haven't had on for like 5 days.
I really appreciate your help in this review, but I do love you and I appreciate your opinion and having a female perspective here and somebody who is a regular kind of like cereal eater, sweet eater. It definitely helps build credibility for this review. If you are new to the channel and this is your first time here, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So if you're into that kind of thing, hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on our latest content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.